Hello, I am Doris Shadu, the college's marketing, communications, and public relations director.
Hi, and I'm Michelle Schock. I'm a media manager and graphic designer at the college.
And we're really excited that you're joining us today. We have a really exciting topic that we want to discuss: branding, one of our favorite things to talk about in the marketing department. As you know, we fully implemented our new name, Virginia Peninsula Community College, in July of this year. And now, with this new name change, comes new opportunities. You've all been with us every step of the way when it came to changing the name, implementing the name, and we really appreciate your patience with us as we transition into a new era of learning for the college. And in addition to this new name comes new opportunities to brand ourselves in a different way. We've published surveys. You guys have participated in that, and we really do appreciate your feedback. And we've taken some of those considerations. We've heard what your voice, and we have some new things to share in regards to branding and our new identity as a college. Um, you think of branding, you think of our identity. How do you want people to think of us when they look at colors, when they look at symbols? What is the feeling that we want to convey as a college? And again, we took a lot of your suggestions from our surveys. We've looked at what you said and we've crafted some new things, and we're excited to show you those today. Next slide, Michelle. And really quickly, a couple of things have not changed, even though our branding will change a bit and our name has changed. Our commitment, as you can see, our mission statement, our vision statement, and our core goals are still the same. And just to outline a couple of those, our strategic plan remains the same. We're still focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion here. We still are very focused on instructional innovation, powerful partnerships with our community, modernized marketing and recruitment, employee investment and development, and transparent and authentic communication, which explains why we're bringing this issue to you all today.
All right, so what have we done so far? I'd like to let you guys know that all the information that we're sharing with you here is based on feedback from data we collected from Consociate Media, our name change implementation committee, the logo and name change recommendation committee, and also survey data that we got from current students, faculty, staff, alumni, and the greater college community. So we got a lot of feedback from a lot of different areas. From this feedback, the college did determine that our font, typeface, mascot, and our style colors will stay the same, and we'll show you those shortly. And below is a quick timeline on how we did this. We had our name change implementation committee, then our logo brand recommendation committee, excuse me. And from that, we had a survey and we asked what should be kept, what should be changed, and for what do we want to be known. And again, that's where we came up, or we took the data that we wanted to keep our fonts, our colors, and our mascot. We decided then that we would determine a tagline and seal later, and we implemented a placeholder again beginning July 1st. The college then decided to take on the rebrand internally, and that saved us lots of dollars. So we have done this all internally and saved a lot of dollar on this rebrand. The college then asked the community here at the college, what do we want people to say about Virginia Peninsula Community College? We did the survey number 2, which went out to everyone, and then we approved the placeholder and implemented on July 1. That brings us here. I wanted to share with you our placeholder, our font, our colors. I also wanted to add a little information about our gator. So this guy right here, this is our athletic mascot, and he will stay our athletic mascot. On here are also other gators. These will be used and shared with the college community. We just want you to know that gators are our mascot. This is our athletic gator, but we will use other gators to represent, the college. So happy gator, baby gator, the water gator, etc. And here is the word art that was created from all the feedback from what the college community said we wanted people to say about us. We're diverse. We have partnerships. We're equitable. Workforce training, encourage options, etc.
And part of that survey, where we asked you, what did you think? What did you want people to say about the college? And we had, varying responses, both for and against the name change, of course. And here are a couple of entries that you all put into the survey. This is a real college with real and useful programs and majors. There's so many ways to start at this school, and it is accepting of people of all ages and background. The staff cares and wants to see you continue your education, even if it isn't at VPCC. We hope it would be. They wanted to say that it is an inclusive place for higher education, that it is an exceptional community college with outstanding professors. We agree. It is a place where champions study and advance, excellence and success in all that we do. Someone else said, I want people to say that Virginia Peninsula is more than just a community college. I want them to think of it as somewhere for student growth and to be excited about the future. Also, employers and the workers know they can rely on VPCC for relevant training. VPCC really cares about Peninsula families and businesses. The college is a reliable partner offering opportunities for success in community and economic development. And lastly, that we're a place that offers high quality, affordable education, that we are student oriented, and that we are a diverse and comfortable atmosphere. And of course, if you saw a recurring theme through all those responses and all the others as well, is that Virginia Peninsula Community College cares. We're focusing obviously on the community, and we want people to know that if we have an environment of inclusiveness here at Virginia Peninsula. Okay, we took some of your feedback and the word cloud, and we looked at the survey results, and we came up with new taglines for you to consider as well. The first is education that inspires. Your future starts here. Our mission, your success, and opportunity awaits.
All right. Also, based on some of the suggestions and feedback from the survey in regard to the seal, we received a comment, do we need a seal? And actually, the policy doesn't require us to have a seal, but the college did decide it does want to have a seal. Someone also suggested maybe it could be a map of the peninsula, or maybe we could change the icon to something to represent education. So these next pages, I'm going to show you some examples of the seal. These are going to be provided on the survey for you to vote on. Number 1, a column representing education. Number 2, we have, a worldwide graduate. 3, also, worldwide graduation and education. And then finally, the last one is our service area pulled out of a Virginia map. Now I want to talk about logos again. So just a quick reminder, these are the 7 types of logos. Abstract, you have a mascot, combination, emblem, lettermark, pictorial, and wordmark. All right. So here's some of the feedback we received on the logo from the surveys and data previously mentioned. People mentioned water. Could it have a beach theme? Can we keep the general form but change the icon? So folks wanted to keep the font but change the abstract square. And then someone else mentioned they would like something less abstract, please. And then we have here, keeping the current design and branding colors and other elements will help tie in our new name with our previous brand. It will make large numbers of people able to know subconsciously what the school is, even with a new name. What they're speaking on there is by keeping some of our brand consistent, we're using that to carry over our recognition. And then someone told us, thanked us for encouraging students to input on our rebranding decision. And absolutely, our entire community had input on this. From the logo examples we're going to provide here, I want you to know that there's no wrong selection. Okay, like art, it's a matter of taste and personal style. What is important is that we fully embrace our brand. It's how we interact internally and with our customers that drives our brand. And it's as much that or possibly more than any graphic we could apply. We need to act and behave as our brand represents. It's important we accept and support our brand. Our mission at Thomas Nelson Community College is we change lives, transform our community through diverse, inclusive, and equitable education and workforce training, excellent support services, and innovative partnerships. We just keep that in mind as we move forward to choose our logo, seal, and taglines. I also want to note that on the following pages are the logos that will be represented in the survey. And I'm offering two examples. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So know that the college will be adopting one horizontal and one vertical. And also, I want to talk about the color. The color, the orientation, and the file types will also be created and shared. So you may be seeing the logos in purple or green or a combination, but know that once a final selection is created, we will have all file types, all color combinations, including black and white and grayscale, available. So here we go. Here on the left, we've included an image of all the VCCS community colleges and their current logos. You know, some other community colleges have gone through name changes too. All the current logos of VCCS colleges are here. We would like you to compare and look at those when you consider the logo or brand you like the most. Here's option number one. It is our placeholder with our old abstract square. Option number two. Again, I'd like to add that with these logos, we want to keep the lines simple. We want to keep the graphic easily read, and we want it to look good digitally and in print. Option number two, this represents a bridge or steps, upward mobility. Option number three, it's kind of a letter mark, kind of abstract. It is our initials VP. I also myself see a little alligator eye in here. Option number four, our final option, is an initial, very simple, easily read option. Again, all this information and these imagery will be provided in the survey for you to make your decision on.
All right, and next steps. So the next steps are we're going to choose the final seal, logo, graphic, and tagline. We also have a survey for you to weigh in on your choices. It's going to be shared on Tuesday, starting Tuesday, September the 27th, and through Wednesday, October the 12th, close of business. So please let us know, share this with other members of the community so that we can get your input and feedback here. This data, once the survey closes, will be shared with our college leadership. We're also going to present the final brand recommendations to the college board at the end of October, then the final approval process, and finally, we will begin the full logo implementation. This includes what we did during the placeholder implementation as well, which is updating and sharing files, letterhead, business cards. Also note that any signage, forms, files, any swag material, promo materials, digital marketing will bear the placeholder. They're still valid. So you'll still see that lettering around campus, and we will use all items and change to the full logo as needed. We will also begin the process once we've made a final decision to trademark our logo, and we will update all style guides, and those will be posted on our website. If you would like the link to join us for the live town hall, you can go to vpcc.edu/branding town hall. And please, the survey link again will be there starting Tuesday, September the 27th. Please let us know what you think. And I'd also like to thank the entire community for joining us through this whole process, being patient with us as we transition, and thank Michelle for her tireless commitment to making sure that the community has been involved. She's been running the survey. She's been designing everything. So thank you very much, Michelle, for your work on this project.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I look forward to hearing what everyone says and what everyone's decisions are. Please participate in the survey. Thanks.
Please. Thank you very much. See you guys at the town hall.